What's up, YouTube? Quick video we're gonna make here. I just want to show you again, not to be fooled sometime with these noises the car makes, and how to kind of isolate some of the problems before you even, get under the car and start looking around. First thing that comes to mind, oh, sway bar links, right? Not necessarily. And so the way you will eliminate the possibility of something else going on is we're going to have to step on the brake slightly as we're going through the sand bumps. Listen here. I'm going to probably have to go back so this test can be conclusive and accurate. So let me go back to the same area. There you go. Let's go straight down. We're going to be right around here. Now, all I'm going to do differently right now, as I'm going through this area that's coming up there, that has all of those roughness, I'm going to step on the brake as I'm, moving, but lightly step on the brake. Guess what happened? That's what annoys me. I'm stepping on the brakes lightly. So when I apply the brakes lightly, the noise disappears. What did you tell me? Well, I have an issue with my brake pads just basically floating around the brake caliper. So that's what's happening. The pads are loose because maybe the hardware has failed, or they were like that from the beginning and somebody forgot to put hardware on, or the hardware. So either way it goes, we're going to have to get some new brakes and make sure the rattle is gone. So this is one way that you can easily diagnose a noise complaint on any car, really. Sometimes it can turn out to be the guide pins on certain cars. I have a video on that actually on my channel. It was a 2010 or 11 Mazda CX, and this was the same issue we had, but this was the guide pins. So for one of the guide pins has a rubber boot that it has to go in, and that rubber boot was missing. So it's making a really loud noise, and the customer actually replaced the struts and everything else trying to chase down this problem, but eventually we narrowed it down to that, and I have the video on my channel. So this is going to be also brake related. I'll take some pictures when I do the job, and we'll maybe take another test drive and make sure this thing is quiet. Alright guys, see y'all later.